Everyone, welcome back to the playlist on SPSS. In this video, let us learn how to conduct one sample t-test. So we are back with the same data set. So assume that you know what the usage column already is. So consider the usage column is how the individual who has purchased the treadmill is using the treadmill within a week. So how do we rate himself on a scale of 5? So if the individual is more than a scale of 3, we are assuming that the chance of purchasing is greater. So that is our assumption. We want to test the column usage where the usage if it is greater than 3. So for that we are going to do a one sample t-test. Our assumption is that a proportion of the sample has usage greater than 3. So once you can form this relative proportions for as per respect to the problem as per your own data set. So the technique remains the same, but formulation of hypothesis and all differs as per the data set and also the problem statement which you are trying to solve. So just go to analyze, compare means. So compare means is the one-stop location for one sample test, independent samples test, which is two sample test. This is paid samples, which is two sample paid t-test, and ANOVA, which we will cover in the future videos. So for now, for the one sample t-test. So as you can see, only numerical columns are available for us to perform the one sample t-test. So that is SPSS automatically fetches the content on which you can perform the t-test. So I'm doing it on usage. So my test value, I'm testing if it is greater than 3. So then just click in the options, you would have nothing, just the confidence interval, which if unless specified it is 95% by default. If it is specified by any other value, you can mention. Sometimes level of significance is given. So level of significance and confidence interval together make 100%. So either one is stated to you. Depending on that, you can calculate the other value. Just go on continue. Don't forget to mention the test value over here. Then click on OK. So you can see the one sample t-test. The significant value here is this significant two-tailed value. So SPSS performs always on two-tailed values. So for the two-tailed p-value is 0.00. Our alpha, the level of significance is 0.05. Since p-value is less than alpha, we reject the null hypothesis. So the null hypothesis actually there are less number of people who are buying whose usage is 3. So our hypothesis, whatever we are testing, is always H1. So the opposite of is it is H0. So here we are rejecting the null hypothesis. Means H1 is correct. Means our assumption is correct. We have more people who are whose usage is greater than the value 3. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.